the denim industry is a high consumer of water and chemistry. A single pair of jeans, an average would be 70 liters per jean to be produced. Technology that has the ability to transform needs to do several things. First, it is safe and ethical for workers and the operators of the equipment to operate on a day-to-day basis. Second, it has to be sustainable. And third, it needs to respond to what consumers want. So what we hope is that a production center close to the consumer will allow brands to more quickly test new product, react to product that's selling well, and even serve consumers directly.
Basically, this is a great tool for all of the industry to resolve that issues in the supply chain, especially nowadays. So where you take so long time and you never know when you're gonna get your stuff here, that you have the opportunity and the possibility that you can have it in here and produce it locally. And this is a key step to getting some of the manufacturing back to the US.
This type of model, having an ability to do short production runs close to home, will allow brands to make better decisions about inventory. How much they buy at the beginning, when do they replenish, what to replenish. We're excited to be partnering with Kornit because we believe that we have now best-in-class technology. We're so proud to be implementing for the first time the Atlas Max technology and the Presto Max technology as well for this market. We are going to be able even to substitute things like embroidery, things like hand painting, that is difficult to do in big production runs. And it's expensive and it takes time. So we're very excited about giving creative minds like designers the tools to really quickly bring product to market and really liberate their creativity.
Kornit support team has been amazing with us since minute number one, from logistics all the way to the technical team that come on board to help us setting this up. It's been amazing. They have been working very close to us and being involved in every single detail.
Saving water, and the technology we are implementing is highly sustainable, reducing the use of water by, I would say, by 80%. The equipment is now available. There's no longer an excuse to allow for unethical practices or unsustainable manufacturing. One thing is to operate in the neighborhoods that are far away from the United States, but another thing is to operate in California, where you have regulation, where you have all of these, let's call them systems that protect workers and the environment, and to be able to really do all of these great products in this environment, for me, is fantastic.